try to avoid shopping for plants around the May long weekend. It's a blood sport and not exactly suitable for a pandemic. And there's so many plants you can plant before that when the crowds aren't around. But the impatient is one of those plants that I wouldn't risk before the May long weekend. Get a distance here so you can see how big that is. And I found these today 3 for $20, which is a huge bargain. Usually they're smaller than this and they're $10 or $12. And the reason they're so expensive is because over the summer they will become 30 inches in diameter each. And they'll keep growing and blooming all the way until November when they die. So today when I found these, I went a bit crazy and stuffed the car. And in the back seat, it's just chock-a-block. Well, I placed one of the SUN-Patiens in this Vietnamese pot, mixed together with some fuchsia. Hopefully the two will grow together nicely over the summer. But the lion's share of that carload is over here in this round planter. You can see they're interspersed with red geraniums, classic red geraniums with exotic SUN-Patiens, which will hopefully become so big over the summer that people will get married in front of this bed in August. Okay, until next time. Alright, it's July 8th, and these giant SUN-Patiens not only survived our incredible heat dome heat wave last week, where the temperature reached a gazillion, they are thriving, as are the standard red geraniums between them. So this is how this bed looks. July 8th.